Hello, Kelly. My name is Sean Everett, and I am the website analysis expert over at Zucor Marketing. Thank you so much for talking with Eric. He sent your website over to me to have a look at. And so here we go. I'm going to give you an analysis. Now, first off, I'm actually a little confused by your site because I see that you have a 2024 copyright on it, which is great. That's current. But I also see that there are some things like testimonials which don't really work. I click that and it says see the testimonials below, and there aren't any. There's just this, which is machine language. So I'm not sure if your site is still under construction, maybe. I don't know. But there are some things in the portfolio that I would love to know more about, like the ribbon cutting. It's a bunch of photos, but there's no captions. I don't know who these lovely people are, um, and I would love to. I'm just that's the kind of guy I am. I like I like knowing this stuff. There's also the Ottawa house that there's a bunch of photos of. I wish there was more context to those. Anyway, and also up here, see this little W? That means that it is being hosted by WordPress, which is a kind of a, I don't know, it's a site kind of like the old Yahoo when it still was hosting. Your site has a lot of new and old features to it that are a little confusing to me, but it's fine in many respects. It doesn't need a lot of work, to be honest. But what I'm interested in more is about the mechanics of your site, because a beautiful site like this, I mean, you guys have your heart in the right place. Look at all of the things that you contribute to, the high efficiency home, and you guys are just have big hearts, and I love that about you. And I would definitely, if I was in Vegas, I would hire you, truly, because I like people that give back to the community and have their hearts in the right place. But here's what I want. I want your site to actually do better for you. I want your site to actually make you money and be a tool of your company. And right now it is underperforming. I can tell you that for certain. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a couple of things right from the get-go. Here I'm going to copy and paste all of your website into this. And that is 287 words. Now, right now, when I look at your company, I'm going to Google it. This is the Google Las Vegas. And now I know that you have your fingers in a lot of different pies other than roofing. But I just kind of, you can't, you almost can't have a site dedicated to everything you do because you have to answer a lot of questions, if you will, from the public. And there's not enough sort of description here about your services and how you perform them and the stuff that you do. These aren't, well, let's see here. Let me go to this roofing. Yeah, it's kind of limited. I mean, I'm glad that you have a roofing license and everything, but I think that these are kind of hiding behind this photo. There's something going on with your site that I wish I could put my finger on. Nonetheless, uh, as a roofer, for instance, you're up against many other roofers, and the same is going to be true of your electrical and your plumbing and your all of the stuff that you guys do. So that's why I am picking on the roofer part of what you do, because I want you to see who you're up against. Now, this company here is called Las Vegas Roofing. They are one of your competition on your roofing end. And so I'm going to refer to them for the purpose of this analysis as your Google competitor. Now, here is their website, and I'm going to cut and paste that. Select all, copy and paste into a word counter. And here we go, 557 words versus your 287. Now, you know that any algorithm, which Google is going to want more. More is better for an algorithm. Now, let me describe a little bit more about the Google algorithm. Because right here, I'm going to reload this just because it just got crazy on me. So right at the very top are the paid listings, and it's not bad to pay for a listing on Google to get at the top because you want to be on the top. These folks here are in the map pack. They filled out a business profile, a Google business profile, kind of like a Facebook profile, except it has information about your business, like what year you started, your daily hours. There's some tick boxes, and then they also ask you to prove the site is yours. So that's something you could do to help your site, because that is something that the Google algorithm is looking for, somebody that has participated in the Google business side. Now, the other thing that it wants is this, the words that I was talking about. Not all words are the same. Look at this. These are the keywords you have on your website. And this is just a keyword about your website in general, not just about roofing, but about all of the things that you do. You have one keyword, and this is from the plumbing, electrical, roofing, all of it, general contractor. You only have one keyword, and those keywords are things that should be in your industry. So, like in the roofing part, there would be flat roof and gable and soffit, those sorts of things, and gutter. In the plumbing and electrical, there's all of those terms, things that people actually ask about in when your salespeople are going out. And here's the bottom line: without the keywords and without enough backlinks, I'll talk about those in a second, you only had 3 clicks last month. Now, you guys deserve a lot more than just 3 clicks, because those 3 clicks probably didn't result in any business whatsoever. And here's what you're up against in Desert Valley Roofing. They had 492 clicks. That's how many people visited their site. Now, this paid reference that I have here puts the value on that at $2,800, and they put the value on yours at, well, $0, because you only had 3 clicks. So it probably didn't result in any business for you. And how often do you find something using Google? That's the thing. You and I both know how much we use Google and how we use it, and how far down do you scroll before you go, I've had enough. I can find whatever I need from here on up. I've just scrolled down 2 full pages, 2 full Google pages, and I don't see you guys here yet. And that's a problem for you, because you're literally leaving money on the table. These folks have had 492 traffic. They have had, well, 100 and some odd, 170 or so more opportunities to ask, to be asked for an estimate, to get a potential customer, or to actually make money. And so the keywords, I'm going to show you what they have for roofing, for instance. Roofers Las Vegas, roofing contractors Las Vegas, commercial roofers Las Vegas. Let's see here. Las Vegas roof replacement. Bunch of stuff that are sort of variations on a theme for this. Valley roofing repair. I mean, that's what you're in, the Las Vegas Valley there. So those are all things that would be on your website that would contribute to your keywords. Now let me go and show you this. This is your backlinks. This is the number of links that are on somebody else's site that refer back to yours. You have 80, and Desert Valley Roofing has 255. Now, here are their backlinks: expertise.com, yellowpages.com, Yahoo, Porch, Superpages. All of these sort of lists, YP, which is the abbreviation for the old yellowpages.com. And all of these are sites that you should be on, and are probably not, given the number of sites that you have. And you want to be on ones that are 70 and above. And look, with them, you can beat them quite easily. What is this, like 11 from 70 and above? You can get 11 links. That's easy. All of these companies, all you have to do is go fill out a profile, like the Google business profile I was telling you about. Then you can be on their site, and it will refer back to your site. It's sort of like Google. The Google algorithm thinks that the more people that are talking about you, the more important you are. So that's what the backlink is about. You want to be listed on other sites that are relevant to your company and to the industry that you're in, so that Google can see that other people actually are talking about you. That's essentially what that is. So there's 3 things that I'd like you to improve on. 1, get your Google business profile. 2, get more keywords. And 3, get more backlinks. But this is where we come down to the wire. Um, uh, uh, you would probably probably want to spend more time either roofing or dealing with these many things: general contracting, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, masonry, carpentry, asbestos abatement. There's so many things that you guys do that I bet you would rather do than dig around in the belly of your website. Now, I would like you to be higher in the Google search results, because that is where the money is. It really is. If you're not up in the top page, if you're not above related searches, you're leaving money on the table. Anyway, listen, I hope I have been helpful to you. And if you would rather spend more time doing all these wonderful things that you do, then please give Eric a call. He would be happy to guide you through the next steps. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.